I am here today to talk to you about an update about Yaz and Yasmin. In recent weeks, in 2011, two very important medical articles have been published. Both were published in the British Medical Journal, which is an important medical publication that is intended to reach doctors and the medical community throughout the country and throughout the world. In that medical journal, in these two articles, two studies revealed that there was a 2 times or a 3 times increased risk of suffering a blood clot as a result of prescriptions of Yaz and Yasmin as opposed to prescriptions of other hormonal contraceptives that had different and safer progestin, and allegedly safer progestins in them. In the study revealed that women who had taken Yaz and Yasmin had a 2 times or 3 times increased risk of suffering from clots when they had taken the drug over the same period of time as women who were taking other combination hormonal birth control pills with a progestin called levonorgestrel and another progestin which is also considered a second generation or more earlier developed progestin, synthetic progestin. These two studies are important for doctors and for the medical community to understand when they prescribe those medications to you, you have to be told of the risks of Yaz and Yasmin as compared to the risks of alternative combination hormonal contraceptives or other hormonal contraceptives or other birth control choices. Yaz and Yasmin, according to the two British Medical Journal studies that were published, reveal that they have a 2 times and 3 times increased risk of causing those young women to suffer from blood clots. Those are known as venous thromboembolic events. The blood clots may be deep vein thrombosis, or blood clots in the lower vessels of the legs. They may be blood clots in the lungs, called pulmonary emboli, or they may be blood clots in other parts of the body, causing other injuries. And potentially, those blood clots can be fatal if not treated immediately, or even if treatment fails when the woman or young woman is brought to a hospital or emergency care. We have brought a number of lawsuits on behalf of women alleging that Yaz and Yasmin are not as safe as represented by Bayer, and that they should have been sold with warnings telling women that there was an increased risk of a venous thromboembolic event or a blood clot. If you would like to talk about a potential lawsuit in connection with your ingestion of Yaz or Yasmin, we'd be happy to talk to you about that. Of course, we need to review your medical records and proof that you in fact were on Yaz or Yasmin at the time you suffered an event, and that we can prove that your event was attributable to your use of Yaz or Yasmin.